Meet Jane. Jane is a marketing professional who's considering a career change. She's heard about the GMAT and wonders if she should take it. So, who should take the GMAT? Well, if you're considering getting an MBA or another graduate degree in business, you should definitely take the GMAT. It's the most widely accepted test for business schools, and it's a key factor in the admissions process. It's like the VIP pass to the business world, only without the velvet ropes and bouncers. But what if you're not interested in business? Should you still take the GMAT? Possibly. Many master's and PhD programs accept the GMAT. As a matter of fact, over 7,700 graduate programs. So, what kind of skills do you need to have to do well on the GMAT? Well, you'll need to be comfortable with numbers, nothing fancy, just high school math, and you'll need to have strong reading skills. You'll also need to be able to think critically and communicate your ideas effectively. But don't worry if you snooze during high school math class. The GMAT is designed to challenge you and push you out of your comfort zone. With enough practice and some hard work, your confidence and score will rise. And if you have any questions, remember, you can always get help on GMAT Club. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more such content.